Hi all. Introduced in the spring of 1942, the M1 gas mask waterproofing kit was developed to protect gas masks and canisters during amphibious landings and was authorised by the CWS to be included in all types of mask from that date, with the exception of training gas masks comprising of a small canvas pouch closed by a single press stud. The kit contained a small roll of adhesive tape, 10 squares of 4-inch adhesive sheet, 2 metal clamps and a instruction sheet. The metal clips were designed to seal the tube of the gas mask, preventing water from entering it and being caught in the corrugations of the rubber. A small roll of adhesive tape was to be used to seal all seams of the filter, while the adhesive sheet was designed to entirely cover its inlet valve. Once applied, the kit rendered the mask completely inoperable until all waterproofing components had been removed. What's quite interesting about this one is on the back it has a piece of canvas being sewn onto it. Originally they wouldn't have that on there. It's quite interesting. So opening it up, and the contents inside, you get the adhesive sheets, and then it is included with the instructions. Next is the adhesive tape in a waxed cardboard container. This one has been opened. And then lastly are the hose clamps. Thanks for watching.